I'm Aaron from Columbia. This is a quick instructional video on how to use the Camlock taper cap. On the new Columbia Camlock cap, you have a lock setting and an unlock setting. To unlock it and remove the cap, you push the lever and line the top of it up with the word unlock. Then you put your 2 thumbs on the base of the cap, 2 fingers behind the top, and pull back. Underneath the base of the cap, we've also added a nice cork seal rather than the O-ring. It gives you a nicer seal at the bottom. It's also easier to replace. It just has a sticker base that you can pull off and put back on. To put your cap back on, make sure that this shim is between this wheel and your push rod. Then push your 2 thumbs on the top, line the lever up with the unlock, and push down. Then to lock it, push the lever all the way down until it touches the mud gate and lines up with the word lock, and your cap's locked in place.